Please observe.
Let's say we want to understand what is equation of a line. Equation of a line is an equation which is satisfied by all the points lying on the line and which is not satisfied by any point outside the line. Examples. Consider this equation 4x plus 3y equal to 7. If I have any point on the line, say 1, 1, if I put x as 1, the x coordinate, and y as 1, the y coordinate, I think 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1, I get 7 LHS. It is equal to the RHS. So 1, 1 satisfies this equation. Satisfy means if I put the x and y coordinates in the LHS, I get a value equal to the RHS. So equation of a line is satisfied by all the points lying on the line. What if I have a point 2, 1? If I put x as 2 and y as 1, do I get LHS equal to RHS? No, I do not. 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1, 4 to the 8 plus 3 will be 11. It will not be equal to 7. So 2, 1 does not satisfy this equation. So it does not lie on the line. So what is equation of a line? It is an equation which is satisfied by all the points on the line, but which is not satisfied by any other point lying outside it. And this is not true only for a line. Equation of a circle, equation of ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, any curve you take, it is an equation which is satisfied by all the points lying on that curve and which is not satisfied by points not lying on the curve. Okay?
Please observe.
Forms of equation of a line, how we can find an equation of a line if we have some data. This is one line, one point on it, x1, y1 is a known point. Slope of the line is known, slope is m. These are known values. Slope could be something like half, point could be 3, minus 1, something like this. Equation of the line can be found using this, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M, slope of the line I could substitute, x1, y1, the point I could substitute, simplify a bit, I will get equation of a line. By the way, slope is indicated by this triangle because we are interested in these 2 points to find the slope. What was slope of a point? Change in y, y2 minus y1 upon change in x. Change in y divided by change in x we indicate by this triangle. Any problem so far? Because we know point on the line and we know slope of the line, this form of equation of the line is called slope point form or point slope form. Okay?
Please observe.
Next form of equation of the line is something like this. Let's say we have a line, its y-intercept is c, means the point where the line cuts the y-axis is 0, c, 0, 3, 0, 4, something like this. We know slope of the line. Slope of the line is m. Then equation of the line is y equal to mx plus c. M is slope, c is y-intercept. Please note only y-intercept, not x-intercept. So this form is called slope-intercept form. What if the line cuts the x-axis and I know the x-intercept something like 3, 0? Then you know slope, you know one point, you could use point slope form instead of this form. Here also, if this is 0, c, I know one point, I know slope, I could also use slope point form and I could still get the same.
Please observe.
Next form of equation of line is double intercepts form. We have a line, it is cutting x-axis at some point a, 0, so a is the x-intercept of the line. If this is 3, 0, then 3 units is the x-intercept of the line, that way. If the line is cutting y-axis at 0, b, then b units is the y-intercept of the line. And then equation of the line is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Whatever is the x-intercept, if it is 3, then x by 3 we will have to put. Plus, whatever is the y-intercept, y upon that number we will have to put. If this is 2, y by 2 equal to 1. So x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 1, I say which we will get the equation. Take LCM etc. You will get an equation in terms of x, y and constant term. Always equation of a line, single line will be in terms of x, y and constant term. Any problem so far? This is double intercepts form because we know both the intercepts. Another form of equation of line is called 2 points form. We have a line and we know 2 points on the line. x1, y1, x2, y2. They are known points, something like 3, 5, 7, minus 8, something like that. The equation of the line is y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2 equal to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. If you observe, on one side I have written y's, on the other side I have written x's. Y and x are the variables in the equation. Y minus y1, this side x minus x1. This side y1 minus y2, this side it's x1 minus x2. Please note. In some books, you might see it as y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. It's alright. It's like multiplying both sides by minus 1. In some books you will see this denominator here and this numerator here. That's also alright. It's like alternando in ratio and proportion. Correct? This form is called 2 points form because we know two known points on the line. Also, if I know the two known points, I could find the slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and take any point and use slope point form. That way also I could solve. Okay? Please observe. In general, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is what we can say is an equation of a line. Means equation of a line, single line. Will have an x term, y term and a constant term. Its slope will be of the form minus a by b. Directly I can find the slope. Example, if I have 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 as a line, then its slope is, by mere observation, I could write it as minus 3 by 4. Okay. One could arrange it as y equal to mx plus c, but that will be a little longer time-taking exercise. What about if equation of a line is 5y minus x plus 2 equal to 0? In a hurry, people find slope as minus of first term upon second term. So it will be minus of 5 upon minus 1, which is wrong. Slope is not first term upon second term ka negative. Slope is minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. What is a and b? Coefficient of x and y. So minus of minus 1 upon 5, which is 1 by 5 is the slope. Are you with me?